Hello, myself Shashank Lakhote. I have joined this PMP training batch under Mr. Saurabh Parikh from ProThoughts. I am joining for the April and month batch, and I am very delighted to share that all the sessions, 4-day sessions, are really helping me to understand the project management in detail. Although I am working as a project manager, some of the things like risk register, cost analysis, and many things are very new to me, and some of things like change management I will definitely apply in my professional life, and I am looking forward to getting the PMP certification with the help of ProThoughts in very near future. So thank you, Mr. Saurabh, for these wonderful sessions. Of course, we can discuss some things. We can always, but overall, it was a good experience. I could meet new people. The networking was good. So overall, thank you, and it was great time.